Welcome to your guide on how to leverage AI to supercharge your sales efforts. In this video, we'll unveil 5 powerful AI prompts designed to help you book more sales meetings. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the sales landscape. It's no longer just a futuristic concept, it's a practical tool that can give you a significant edge. For sales professionals, AI means more efficiency, better personalization, and ultimately more meetings and conversions. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Throughout this video, we'll dive into each of these 5 prompts, demonstrating how they can be used to streamline your outreach and improve your conversion rates. Let's get started. Our first prompt focuses on generating personalized icebreakers. First impressions are crucial, and a unique opening line can make all the difference. AI can help you craft opening lines that resonate with your prospects by analyzing their online presence and identifying common interests or recent achievements. Here's an example. You input details about your client, and the AI suggests several engaging opening lines, saving you time and ensuring relevance. Next, we have the objection handling assistant. This prompt is a game changer for navigating tough conversations with confidence. I can analyze common objections based on your product or service and provide you with ready-made, persuasive responses. This helps you anticipate and address concerns effectively. An effective prompt might be, provide responses to common objections like, it's too expensive, or I'm happy with my current provider. The AI will then generate tailored comebacks. Our third prompt is the follow-up email composer. Following up is critical, but it can be time-consuming to personalize each message. I can automate the creation of highly personalized follow-up emails that reference previous conversations, ensuring your message is always relevant and timely. Use a prompt like, draft a follow-up email after a demo for client name, referencing our discussion on specific feature and their need for solution. The AI will do the rest. Fourth on our list is the meeting agenda creator. Well-structured meetings lead to productive outcomes. AI can help you build comprehensive and effective meeting agendas tailored to your objectives and attendees, ensuring every minute counts. A sample prompt. Generate a meeting agenda for a discovery call with client name, focusing on their pain points and your solutions. You'll get a detailed, actionable agenda. Finally, we have the value proposition refiner. Your value proposition is your core message, and making it impactful is essential. AI can help you refine your value proposition statement, making it concise, compelling, and perfectly aligned with your target audience's needs. Input your current value proposition and target audience, and the AI can provide suggestions to make it more powerful, clear, and persuasive. These 5 AI prompts are just the beginning of how artificial intelligence can transform your sales process. By incorporating them, you'll see a significant boost in your meeting bookings and overall sales success. To recap, we covered the personalized icebreaker generator, the objection handling assistant, the follow-up email composer, the meeting agenda creator, and the value proposition refiner. Don't wait. Start integrating these AI prompts into your sales process today and watch your meeting bookings skyrocket. The future of sales is here, and it's powered by AI.